All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're joining from. It's such an amazing moment together again to do one or two things. And then we had a makeup class within the week, and I showed us some typical and practical stuff that happens in the market that helps you to skyrocket your trading, that helps you to double up your trading, that shows you some secret tips. And then I hope you took note of them. And I hope you really understood those stuff I taught you. Did you, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Awesome. So these are the things you look out for, things you ensure you do oftentimes in the market, and then ensure that you're doing fine. Today we should look at something new as well. Okay. This week was so super fantastic, man. We killed it as usual. Okay. Mr. Wally is calling me back. Hold on. Let me pick up. I think let's know why he's not live here with us. Like, wait, let me pick up. I thought as much. He said he's on farm as usual. Anyway, let's go. Let's do something. So probably we intend to have a makeup so that you can brush up with what you have learned as well. You can be able to give it back to him as a further disseminating for you, which will also help you as well. But whatever you have inside of you, if you can release it, it will help you to solidify your knowledge. Very well. Oh, awesome, guys. Okay. The trade I said you should look into. Did you start looking into them, sir?
No, sir.
Why? What happened?
I was busy, sir.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I want to tell you something that about news, and then your TA, that if you are right and it's at the right point, at the more or less like at the corner of a place, and if it needs, you will not have choice than what to move in your direction. That's if you are really right, and then more or less like you are at the wall, you have been pushed to the wall and you cannot enter the wall. Just to bounce back, then the news will definitely bounce back. You don't have any choice than to obey. That was some things that happened yesterday, and of course, and we milk it madly, about system signals. We cleared everything. We won all our signals from Monday to Friday. Everybody were smiling in the VIP, smiling crazily, smiling. Okay. However, for me, I took a trade, and then I took it over the midnight. Now, will I say I took a trade and I lost it? Let's find out. I won. I won it. Then I later lose it again due to over trading. And I went against my, will I say, I went against my discipline. I wasn't disciplined, because sometimes you are winning. You close out trading and begin to open around again. And we ask them that if that place you are playing, market might reverse at that joint. You think you should still go up from there, just keep reversing, and then you lost all. It was JU. I traded this on my own. I saw the opportunity. I just felt, let me try. I traded it midnight. Crazily bastard. I had a super hand twin. Let me show you. I had an end twin around this point. I milked it like mad. It was crazily milked. I milked it like mad. I had a super hand twin around this point. And a super hand twin. I saw this I had the entry at this point. This joint. My entry was around here. This point. So it did this one, it did this one, then push. All of this from here to here is about 66 pips. So I had an entry around here. Why do you think I had an entry here? Firstly, why do I add an entry here and leave the market? And then secondly, why do I lost it again? I was trying to enter again. Why do I lost it? So two things now I want you to tell me. One of the things I'm using to know you're solid in the market. Are you getting me, sir? Because we can't just be doing and then be assuming that you know, whereas you don't know. It's a foolish thing of us. Assumption is crazy. I hate it. Assumption is crazy. You can be doing and whereas thinking you know, whereas you don't know. That's one of the deceptive things you can do to yourself. I entered and something. I showed you something around here. Then it gave me about 58 pips or so, almost 60 pips. Then I still further add more entries, which I lost after talking partial profit on those ones. Then I lost it, and this one came down. Why? And then why? Did you tell me the first one and the second one? Why I was able to enter that is I saw the opportunity and why I ended up losing as well. So the first and second, tell me. That was me actually. That was the only thing I did wrong this week. Others I queued it and I make it back. And if I lost it, I was so painful. I make it back. The next day I saw an opportunity, I make it back. Multiple. I queued it, I make it back. I made it back. Okay. I flip self. I won't flip self. I flip this week. Oh yeah. Tell me. What to you, sir? I'm listening.
Yeah. So judging from this, it's still an uptrend because it's yet to break the higher low. So that means we should be looking for a buy market. Judging from this,
I'm not saying you should give me the analysis of what is going on. I say what I did. I'm saying what is going on here now. I just say what I did.
Yeah, don't worry, sir. Let me bring it from the bottom to the top.
Okay, continue.
So I can see let me see where the trend line starts from, sir. Okay. Okay. I can see 1, 2. So sometimes it's always nice to trade on the third touch. So I'll wait for the third touch. So go back to the 4 hours.
What I'm doing is I'm using to increase your confidences, to increase your sight in the market. You have to be sightful. You have to be open your eyes to be able to see a lot of things. That are things that will help you to analyze. If you are not saying things to pay you, oh shit, I didn't see this thing, that's why you lose market. Oh shit, that is why you lose. But if you are seeing a lot to boost your confidence, this thing will buy, this thing will buy, this thing will sell. But if you're not seeing a lot, you will not. You will lose. That's why I want you to be able to see the market, boost your, increase your confidences. See more than what you could see, more than what another person will see. That's what makes you the difference. That's what gives you the make the different trader. What another average trader will see. We are saying beyond.
Okay, sir. Then I will go back to like 1 hour. Let me see 1 hour, sir.
Which one are we okay?
I can see a double bottom.
Where?
Right on the trend line. Right on the trend line.
Which double bottom?
Right on the trend line, sir.
This one?
No.
This one?
No. That's not where you entered now.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one? I
Yes.
usually drop the bottom like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can see trend line also. Then me, I'll wait till the candle finish above the psych level. I can see psych level also. I can see my psychology level also. And which breaks it with a full candle, because it breaks the psychology level with a full candle. That means the buyers are strong. Are you there, sir?
I'm with you.
And I also can see rejections there, rejections. So that's the reason why I would take it by there.
And you said you can see trend line, which is one. Secondly, you said you are seeing double top. Are you sure this is double top? You said double top,
No,
not
not
bottom.
double top.
You said double
Yeah,
top.
it's
Okay. So you are seeing double bottom. Okay.
I can use
That is
I
second.
can use that because it has not break the structure, like it has not
But you
break
said
it down. So
okay. So you are seeing
I
double
can I
bottom.
can also I can also see psychology level.
Okay, that's three. Okay.
Let's go back to 15 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Like go to the entry point, sir. Exactly. You can see the double bottom, sir. Can you see the double bottom now, sir?
Okay.
All right. So let's go back to like daily. Let me start from daily again to check for
Okay.
other conferences.
Okay. Daily again. Okay. You shall move me all around. I could follow you. You shall move the right. That's my own. You must be right.
Move to your right, sir.
To my what?
Right, right.
Okay. Need to see. Okay.
Okay. Can I draw a line? Like I can see a support storm resistance also, but I don't know. I don't know. But if I'm to be like with my mouse, I'll check it because I can't see it right now.
Which supporter resistance at where? Where? Which place? Where?
Go to your right. Your right.
My right.
Your right. Yeah. If I can, I don't know. I'm not sure because I don't know if I can draw that line and if it's actually like right on the trend line, where the trend line is coming from.
Which line do you want to draw?
But I don't. Let's leave that one because I'm not sure because I'm not with my mouse. Let's leave that one. Let's leave that one. Go to the market point, sir.
All these ones you are doing are irrelevant. This is where we have issues with. Now talk about this. You are just saying all this. I don't understand.
Okay.
Market has gone beyond that. You focus on where market is now.
Okay. Go to 1 hour again, sir.
When you want to analyze, they'll give you 5 minutes to analyze. They say you go to spend 30 minutes to analyze. Not be so.
I'm just trying to I'm trying to be perfect.
Yeah.
1 hour. 1 hour.
Sometimes
1
I
hour.
just see the structure. That's all. 1 hour. Okay. First 30 minutes. The structure.
But it's fine on 30 minutes. I like 30 minutes. I like 30 minutes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I should go there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where is it?
Okay. Yeah. I'm satisfied, sir. That's the reason why I would take a buy, sir.
Trend line, good trend line, cycle level, and the double top, abi?
Double bottom.
Double bottom rather.
Yes, sir.
And I say you wait for this kind to form first, this one, then you can enter.
Yes,
And
sir.
what you say, that was what to say. That means your entry would be somewhere around here. And you
Yes,
make
sir. Since I'm not good like you, I won't go for a sniper tree.
you don't want to, you're waiting for confirmation. I won't be there too. Confirmation. I want to be sure first if I enter. You know,
Because dollar is cost now.
fear traders. There are some who are fearless. We are fearless. There are some who are fearful traders.
You did
Okay.
like you did
Anyway,
bring those
it's normal. You can start with that. As time goes on, you build the confidence. As time goes on, there are something that you just see that you don't fear that no way this thing will move. Because I milked the cell. We actually milked the cell. So I was milking from BFE, then milk. We started we enter from here. So we milked the cell down to this point. Mrs. was already doing this stoppage. I see my trainer was already here. So I knew he want to do another change. I want to do another move. I already know already. I entered around here already. I know. So the buyers, they can move. You cannot hit my stop loss. I know. Because of what? He just finished his sell, a massive one. And he's already doing, I want to change. I want to change the way I want to change. Already doing this structure. On what? On my site level. And on my listing as well. Trend line. We just finished making the sell to call our profit. It was about 4 pips, 4 pips, 4 before or so. So about close to 100 or something pips. This two is about 100. This cycle is 50 pips. Cycle is 50 pips. So we make it from here down to this place. So that's about 100 pips. So I didn't knew that from that point, and this structure I was doing, I didn't want to do a checkup again. So I entered here on my own. And I make it massively because I came in, I entered strongly. I didn't use small size. I entered and I make it gone. By the time I wake up around 4 p.m., I just check. I just wake up, I just set it and sleep. I didn't design myself. All those Turkish sessions, that's one of the best time to trade. You won't have to worry yourself. Just sleep. But as if you go against it, you go you go kind of go see you go too happy. Hey, because what? It's more like you are relaxing and the money is being made for you. You get just wake up and see money. Yeah, something like that. So I wake up, I got someone here. So I milk it. So you are right on that one to some extent. So why do you think I lost again after trying to do another further entry and I lost it? Why? That was when the
I'll go back to 4 hours. Because I like my 4 hours more than anything. Okay. So right now, I can see a head and shoulder. Are you there, sir?
Me too.
A head and shoulder. Right below the psychology level. And also, I will draw a trend line once the candle has finished.
This trend line from where?
From the top.
Mind you, this trend
Once,
line wasn't there. I had to do
yeah,
that.
I know.
I've done all this
I
one.
know.
Then I saw that
I
there's
know.
so there's nothing like can
I
get.
know.
So I was thinking this one will still come and because it has been doing the hello, it will come here or still take it away.
If I'm to like trade this well, after I saw that it's finding it difficult to break the something, I would know that okay, there's something forming.
How would
There
you
is
know
a
if
new
I'm
trend.
difficult? How would you know if I'm difficult? What would you think that it will show? How would you know? come to show you, look at your what I can share. How would you know? Oh, which obviously. How would you know? Stop being
Okay, then I'll go back to my.
practical.
Okay,
What you're doing, okay, practical.
I'll go to 1 hour, sir.
Okay. If you enter the trade and then it's a hand, that's what I'm talking about. Why do you think we lost it? That's my question. Why do you think we lost it? Even after moving to this point, we still want to go under entering to if we push to this point or this point, but the market will get it instantly and then bring a huge loss for me.
Once it's ranging, because I can see it's ranging over there. Once it's ranging like that,
which range? Which range is it? Where?
Go up, sir. Go up, sir.
Yeah.
No, down. Yeah, around there.
That's not where we lost it. We lost it here. Okay. We had an entry.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking
about. This one or this one?
Like, no, the first one.
You're seeing the fencing already. This one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this one, is there anything that range this one? Look at it.
I guess the market is. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame, sir. Let me see.
This is so you can see that nothing like ranging at all. It turn back. The Bible say it turn back in it.
I guess the market just. I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir.
You should be able to know it's what you have eaten, it's what you have known so far.
Okay.
To help a lot. Anyway, it's fine. Let's look into it together. Let's do it. Let's do this. You have to understand this stuff. Oh. And the one I taught you too, you do the application to your colleagues and all. When we do a makeup class. Okay, let's look into it together. Okay, you're right with this one. Yeah, well, that's what I entered, and then it did higher low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower high, lower high. I was on my bed. I think I made a mistake. What I didn't see it well. I was on my. That's why I have made one mistake like that on bed. Whenever I'm not in trading station, I made some mistake like that, and I said to myself that I won't try such again. That's why if you get against some of their rules or discipline, market will dealt with you. I was once like that on my because no matter what, I've once wake up. I think I wake up around sometime that when I wake up, I check the time. My eyes was saying 2. Last it was 4. And I check again and I see 5. And that time wasn't 2, it was 4. And I'm like, wow, your eyes could be doubles at times. You won't know. I swear I was just saying 2. Since morning 2, wow, the same time. I never knew it was 4. I never knew it was 4 p.m. 4 a.m. in the morning. I thought it was 2 a.m. I was like, oh, that's thing. I don't know. So it's possible your eyes could be deceived. If you are still sleeping, just wake up to check the chart. It's not, your consciousness is still not sharp. You get me, sir? Everything is still everything is still so it tends to be. It has happened to me like that before, and I lost the value while on bed. I just look at the chart, even go to the trading station. If I do that, I will have to do a thorough one, and I won't lose. So I did that. I think I took that decision. It harmed me. I said next time I won't try to short again. Same thing I did again. Why I lost this market. If I went to the trading room, I wouldn't have taken it. I would have to take it. So I would really risk it. Reduce my stop loss from being normal. Just a risk one to see if it will go. And once it breaks the direct level, and I see a strong bullish, I can now go in my normal loss size or bring the normal loss size very, very down. So you reach that even though if you go against me and how many pieces, I won't move, all my profits will still be protected. It'll just be a very lower loss. That is if I'm in the trading station. So I think I didn't see that coming. I didn't even see that at all. After I milked it, I even checked 15 minutes. I not even check 1 hour for that. So that's why some people say top-down analysis is very important. This market is very detailed. You have to be very detailed. If you're not detailed, you could lose. Any small decision like this can mar you. One decision in the market can mar you. It's crazy. Market is crazy. It's all about money. It's our life and death. You should check and say, you're either right or you're wrong. So after market was then, I saw this movement. That's why I took it. Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So I entered around here, thinking, it's higher high, lower low. That's the pattern now. Come on, into down that higher high here, man. Come on. That is around in the morning. Promised to morning around 5 or 6. So I knew, and it's closing toward this. Remember, I told you at every niche session of the market. Did you write it down? You didn't write it down. Did you offend me? Or did you write it down as well? Well, I told you that what happened in for every sessions. But I said this on for first purpose. Do you write it down?
Yeah, okay, you can say
what is to happen? What is to happen every market every session? What is to happen?
Every session will always create a gap and create an opportunity for a trade.
Aside from that one, call.
It will create an opportunity for trade. It will always create.
Aside from that one, call.
A gap.
What is by a gap?
To trade.
I don't understand your meaning by gap. What do you mean by gap? Like this, a session will always bring you an opportunity first, and secondly,
yes,
I've been buying or selling, it will retest for it to either continue to buy, if it's meant to buy, or it is meant to reverse. It will show you an opportunity for reverse. That is a two-way thing. If that market is still buying, the next session that is about to open.
Sir, I'm having a difficulty doing something. You know, I chose to trade 1 pair, but sometimes the market are not usually nice like that.
I've told you now, everything you choose, you have advantage, you have disadvantage. I told you, if you are choosing 1 pair, it has its own advantage. It will help you to master the reactions, the behaviors, and the attributes of that pair. In the long run, you begin to note how the pair is moving and begin to get familiar with some of the patterns that it printed. But if you are trading, and the disadvantage is also that sometimes it may not give you opportunity that you need, or opportunity might be risky for you. Whereas there are other opportunities there in another pair that you can trade, and you will show something that this one is sure and make your money. I told you. So it's all like that. You have to. So with time, you keep enjoying it. So just choose whatever choose best with you. It's always like that. It's always like that. At times, that's why you see me, maybe because I send signal. That's why I chose no longer to stick with 1 pair anymore. Then, as of last year, if I trading us, some of our signals notice that I send in signals on what USDJPY a lot and then good. In a week, we can have like 6 or 7 good, 6 or 7 USD, every day USDJPY, every day, even to the free signal. You can trade USDJPY for like 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I was majoring on them. The time came, I just realized that sometimes this thing will not give me a position that's so clear, and I will still want to trade it. I still want to risk it. Why am I stopping myself? Is it by dot twins, or is it by polypolar I want to do? Is it by shows here they trade 1 pair? I beg, and I'm money I won't make for you. I beg. Anything where you go.
But the pairs you are trading is so much, like so many. Like I can decide on trading maybe like 5 or 3. But you
I'm used to it, so it doesn't do anything to me. Once I see the market, sometimes I don't know what to do. Once I see, I know this is a buy. I just look for opportunities. I don't waste time on anything again. Once I see, I don't use a buy. Any market, if I set my system is not set. If once I can set my cycle level, my trend line, and some of this, I don't know. I don't know. Just look for price actions and market structure. I didn't know it's a buy or sell. Just look for opportunities. I didn't know. So now I'll pick the one that is best setup. I think this one is so sure. Then I pick. That's all. That's all.
Okay.
So I saw on my bed, high, lower, low, high, lower, low, high, lower, low. Let's enter the other one again. Another one. Yeah. My brother, around that time, thinking to do, my brother just reverse it till New York session opens and added to it more. Then it's what push, take away this low. You need to take away this low. I knew, my dear, is a go now. This is the low we started buying from. So and I should know that. This is the low the buy starts and the market not taking away. What do you expect? The worst he can do is to what? He test on that low and go back. If he still wants to come back to buy, he must have to what? Come fully and above this low. Come fully here. If that is it, that is to show you that I still want to buy. Then we test under this cycle. But if you test below it here, it's a sell market. That's why you have to run away. I lost it. When I lost it, I was so annoyed because of what? Discipline. And I went against what I said I won't be doing again. Then I make it back. The next day, the same day, I make it crazily back. Crazily with offense, with crazy offense. And I was so careful. Any profit like this, I don't go. I don't want to, I don't want to get it anymore. Because that taught me a lot. Make money and I just lost it. The payment gone. So I make it back and then able to cover it. So that's the actually. So what I think, me personally, I'll use my personal, what I think I did wrong is one, I went against my discipline and my rules. Because whenever I'm in the trading room, I see more clearly. I see more sharp. I get to see more because I have a view. I have a bigger view. So I see very so like my phone while on bed. I see just minute. I see just it's so minor to me. And that decisions will not be adequate. Am I talking to somebody? Will not be adequate.
Yes, sir.
So so I've always told myself not to make that decision on that anymore. So I went against it and I lost it. And one of the things I think I didn't see, but if I have been on the trading, I would have saw it because I have a bigger view in the trading station. I would have saw it.
So what, sir?
Market already this 6 more one. See, because of this week now, he making to see him, and it was already low. See him almost double top. See, almost double top. See him, but I wasn't seeing that on my phone because phone MT4 has its own different listing. I don't think we don't know. You look at your MT4, MT5. If you look at some of your broker on your phone, you notice that your chart is different. Right? You can understand.
Yes, exactly.
Here's the hair.
Yes, sir.
Look at trading view. Perfect. Look at the hair. You look at the way you open your system.
Sometimes
okay.
they will paint buy red. They will paint sell green. Like you used to be
maybe when
sometimes.
there's your hair, when there is this thing, holiday like this, Saturday, Sunday, some just open differently. Just that is it. It's different. That is it. That's the people always advise you. Ensure you use bigger screen. So you get so my phone sometimes, because my phone is MetaTrader 5 and 4, so it's very different sometimes. So I didn't see it. It was almost equal to what I should have been careful. I just waited for this confirmation to come first. Take away this one from this one before I can say I want to buy, continue to buy. I see it's closer to what double top already. This one didn't stop here. If it has stopped here, then that continuation will continue. But it is stopped here. It stopped here. It didn't even reach our cycle level. It stopped here. So almost equal. Let me put it there. Can you see? 1 inch or 2 inch above. So if small, can you see? Almost equal. But most of the week that if this candle had been filled to this point, I would have seen it. Even on my phone, I was to be clear, but it wasn't clear. The way it showed to me on my phone, it was as if it was bigger until I came to the studio room and I saw it. See you, I fuck up. I saw it when I fuck up. And that's ever in my life again. I will not access on bed and be looking at that's just for monitoring. Any chat on your phone is just for monitoring your trade. It's not to set analysis to that extent. Just for monitoring. I didn't see it clear. I didn't see it well. So I came back and saw that market already give us an hint now. Give us an hint. That I said to say that normally it shouldn't stop there. It shouldn't have stopped there at all. Normal not, because with this structure, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. Then it's meant to take you and get and do higher. See, the very low one. This is what you're saying. We are wrong. Go. And that they say that shoulder go top past each other. Your shoulder is it top past each other. Don't that is it. Before you say anything, look at it. Where I always love to do practical and then life scenario stuff for you guys. I don't want you to be assuming or be studying anything rubbish. Look at your own shoulder. Look at the shoulder of your wife. Is it bigger than each other? It's not. It's all the same. And the head is what will shoot out. So if you're saying head there, shoulder, the shoulder must be here as well. See where the shoulder, under shoulder is. So it is very wrong, sir. So it's wrong. If you want to make a decision on this, you'll be because of what? Because market has sold. Now I want to find something around it to share. No. That's why I was trying to do live with you guys so I can know. Because when you see the typicality, he's already done some typical examples here. With that typical example, you're able to find your way around it. But like, you want some mathematics, you already know the answer. You're not trying to solve around the answer. Sure, you get it. I don't know if you did something like that before. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, of course.
Hey, secondary school.
Trying to know more than the markets. Trying to know.
You want to solve around the answer? How come? Solve around the answer. Just do manipulation. We know work. We know abide by mathematics principle. We know abide. You want to solve around the answer and just divide this one into this 1 into this 2 3. Just to get the answer. That's what you're doing. Because of what you could say the what typicality of it. The market has already played out here, and you want to be doing something. No, it shouldn't be. All these ones we did see them. This is very market way. So you should be able to see the future. It's about predicting the future, telling us about the future. So she will be telling us that this one is the year that no, now we try to play around this and say, where the shoulder here? No, see the shoulder where you come, you came to the next level, which is very wrong. If this one came here, I don't think this one will come here and stop at this side. So we come and form head and shoulder, then we can sell again. We will sell it massively. But it didn't come. That was my thought. Because at most, it's either come here head and shoulder or take it away. That's why I took another buy. But if I've seen that place, I wouldn't have. I wouldn't have at all, but I didn't see it. So I knew that this was a mistake I made. And I said to myself, I won't try this thing again because I won't try before. Everything you do in the market you don't want, take a lesson. That's one thing you learn today. Take your lesson. Anything you did in the market, take it up. Take a lesson and admit it. Because the next time it will always repeat itself. It will not be 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it will be like 2 months later or 3 months later. Because human beings are greedy. Human beings are just normally to our nature. It will always repeat itself. It's always remember forwards. The thing came not a few months ago, or like a couple of 3 or 4 months ago, and it came again this last week. That's it. So you have to take your lesson, take your notes whenever it happens in the market. That's it. Those guys make bastard money. Not bastard money this week. It was crazy, man. It was crazy. So that's for that. Any question?
No question, sir.
For every investor, for every intuition, I can always give you a small intuition, a small evidence. So it showed a small distance with this seed. So anytime market investor or anything, is it that you didn't see it coming, or you are ignorant of the evidences that you were showing? Anyway, let's stop here for this one, and let's go to something for today. When is your time? So first of your times that you want to go and do?
Yeah, I'm running late already, sir.
Oh, okay. Maybe you have
We can do that.
Yeah, I have to figure. Please.
Yeah.
And take care of yourself. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And peace out, guys.
Yes.